If you are looking for conservative, safe investment options or short-term investment options, then fixed deposits and debt funds are the investment options available to you. Which is better, fixed deposits or debt funds? It depends on different parameters. We have industry expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, could you please enlighten us on this subject?
So, in the current context, you will find that the liquid funds are very much similar in terms of the ability to generate returns. If you're comparing with a fixed deposit, my sense is that you should look at something beyond a liquid fund. And my assumption here is that in a fixed deposit, you would want to stay invested for about 1 to 3 years. And if you're going to stay invested in FD for 1 to 3 years, you have an opportunity to look beyond liquid funds in debt mutual funds. You come to categories like a short term or the corporate debt fund, where in today's context, the yields are much attractive, and therefore you will be able to generate a better return on your investment as compared to fixed deposits. There's another important point that the debt mutual fund offers vis-a-vis the fixed deposit. In a fixed deposit, whatever interest you earn is taxed as per your income tax slab. So if you're in the highest tax bracket of 30%, and let's hypothetically assume that you are earning 6% on the FD, you pay 30% on 6%, which is 1.8%. So your net returns is only 4.2%. In the case of a debt mutual fund, if you stay invested for 3 years, you get what is called as an indexation benefit. Now, what is this indexation benefit? You account for inflation. So let's take again the same example of 6%. Let's hypothetically assume my debt mutual fund also gives me 6% returns. But the tax here is after inflation. So what happens is that, so if I've invested say 100 rupees, and after 3 years, I'm just taking a simple annualized impact. So this 100 becomes 118 after 3 years. So I made 18 rupees as the profit in the debt mutual fund. The government allows me to remove inflation from this profit. So if I take inflation as 6% again, so for the next 3 years, 6 into 3 is 18% is again inflation. So I made 18 rupees profit, but inflation is also 18 rupees. So the net that I've got is 0 rupees, which means in the debt mutual fund example that I gave, even though my 100 has become 118, I will not show 18 rupees profit. I will show 0 rupees profit, and therefore I don't pay any tax. In the event I have to pay the tax, it is flat 20%. So irrespective of the tax slab that I belong to, I pay only 20% tax after accounting for inflation, which means your profits will be very minimal, and therefore the tax is also going to be a fraction of what you pay in a fixed deposit. So please consider all of these when you make the investment in debt mutual fund over 3-year periods. If you're looking at short-term fixed deposit, if that was your question, and you're therefore comparing it to the liquid, I think in today's context, the yields have gone up and they're meaningfully high today. And therefore, you should get a comparable return to what your fixed deposit also gives. In fact, better return than FD, but the taxation changes because in the short term, it will be as per your income tax slab. So if you sell before 3 years in a debt mutual fund, you pay as per the slab.
If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.